How to use fire crystal in Whiteout Survival. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to use fire crystal in Whiteout Survival. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now, just a disclaimer that I won't be able to show you its true form because as you can see right now I am low level, but I am welcome to show you some tips on how to get them. So the first tip that I have for you is to top up. So if you click on this plus icon right here, so let's click on that, you can see that this is the top up center. And there's a lot of things right here that you can choose from and you can buy. So this chest right here usually contains those fire crystals. So if you buy this thing right here, you should be able to get some fire crystal on Whiteout Survival. So actually this thing is a paid tip. So it's actually not recommended if you're a free-to-play player. So the next tip that I have for you if you're a free-to-play player is to participate on events that they have. So usually they have events that will let you get some fire crystal in exchange for some missions. So once you have participated on those events, then you can get those specific rewards like this. As you can see right now, the rewards doesn't involve some fire crystal yet because I am low level, but once you have high level on Whiteout Survival, you can get those. So the next tip that I have for you is to participate on missions. So if you click on the claim right here, you can claim the things that you have. And once you're done with this thing right here, you can unlock new missions that will potentially give you some fire crystal. So make sure that you always level up your sawmill, your fireplace, your furnace, your cookhouse, and everything like that in order to get fire crystal in Whiteout Survival. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use fire crystal and Whiteout Survival. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!